How's it going, guys? It's Jason from Vape Brothers again, and today we're going to show you a first impressions of the I-PRIV kit from Smok. So this is a starter kit, just so you guys know. So this comes with the mod and the tank, which is a TF V12 Prince tank. Now the mesh coil, or the Fat Baby mesh tank, looks very similar to this tank right here because it's just very similar. So we're gonna go up close and personal and unbox this sucker. So let's go and do that. Okay guys, so here it is. It's a very big box and I'm really excited to open this because I haven't opened a starter kit since the Odyssey and I know how well that one went. So let's go ahead and open this up. So got my handy dandy knife. Where is it? Ah, there it is. I got my handy dandy knife this time to open it a little bit quicker. Come on, baby. Come on. I want the spoils that lie inside. Oh god, that had a piece of plastic that flew off. Just off. Yeah. Okay, there. Alright, fuck off with you. Alright. Okay, so a knife, that way I don't cut myself. So I'm assuming, much like with most Smok products, you take the sleeve off, which you do. Boop. There's a sleeve. So then you do, it's kind of like an iPhone. Slowly sliding it off. Come on, baby, I just want the shit inside. Ah, there it is. Ooh. Ooh. Alright, so yeah, the fire button's on this side. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, it's been a while since I've had a new mod. So, I'm gonna go ahead and rip off the peelies, as they're called. Oh, so satisfying. Yes, I love it. Okay, now obviously there is more. Fuck that silica packet. There is more to this. So underneath there's some battery instructions and whatnot. He got the authenticity thing, don't put bad batteries in it, all that fun stuff. You got the manual, which I'm going to be using that because this, for some reason, this starter kit has a voice control option, and I'm kind of curious about that. So you got extra replacement tank just in case you break one of them. You got an extra coil and some O-rings. You got a charging cord. Ooh, it's a fiber charging cord, but what we really want is that tank. Ooh, that's a nice charging cord, damn. Come on, baby. Out. That's what I wanted. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. The TFV12 Prince tank. So, let me just... I'll read the manual later, and I'll show that off in the actual review. But for now, I'll put all this stuff back. Not correctly, of course, because why would I do that? Battery stuff. Alright. Oh my god. Stuff in here. Come on, baby. Alright. Fucking. Come on. There. Ah. Done. Okay, put that to the side. So I know a bit about this because I've had one of these before. So this is how you open it, just like the Smok style. Everybody loves this. I love it too. But this time it has a little locking mechanism. I don't know if you can hear that, but oh shit, I bumped the camera. My bad. But yeah, here, let me see if I can put it up to the mic so you can hear it. Nope, it was too silent. Anyway, so that's it. I'm gonna fill this up, obviously. I'm still using the wild apple from the giveaway. Make sure to subscribe because you will get an offer of around $60 worth of juice if you're my 100th subscriber. So make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon. And I believe this one also holds 6mm because it's a bubble tank. So that's good enough. Go ahead and cap that off, that on, right there. It's nice and clicked in. Get your mod. I'm gonna just go ahead and screw it on. And just so you guys know, this did not come with batteries. So you have to provide your own batteries or buy some batteries while you're there. So here is the battery door. Open now. Ooh. Oh, it's that. Oh. Oh. So I believe that, so this also came with an adapter. And this is, I think, is the adapter. Let's see what happens when I put some 18650s in. Okay, so I actually did get it on. Well, shit. Ooh, that looks so cool. Damn, so this does have voice control on it, which I'm not gonna fuck with too much, but I'm gonna go ahead and set the wattage to about 100 because I know that this take can take it. And we're gonna go back up top for just, you know, we'll just vape on it. But oh my god, this thing looks sexy and has these fucking, oh shit, it has these LED lights. But anyways, we're gonna go back up top and we're gonna look at this puppy more in depth. Okay, guys, so this what bullshit. Ooh, yeah, so this thing talks to me, which I'm probably gonna have to take away, but let's just see how it vapes. It should vape just fine. And it does, because it's Smok, and everybody knows that Smok is a fucking great company. But I'm gonna have to go in depth, because this stuff is, like, really weird. And it's talking to me, which is really weird as well. But let's go ahead and take another puff on it. Ooh, baby. Everybody loves a good cloud beast when you find one. But, excuse me. Other than that, thank you guys so much for liking, commenting, subscribing, and coming back and watching my videos. On my left here, you'll see that it's a video that YouTube thinks that you'll like. On my right is a subscription button. Go ahead and hit it and hit that bell icon so you know when I upload videos. Other than that, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and we'll see you in the next one.